Okay, to show that that wasn't a fluke, here's another one. I'll just quickly take off all the pins, lift all the pins. I think I should have gone the other direction with that one so it would get stopped by the pins, by the neighboring pins. Still got a few to do on the side. And then I'll start straightening them. But yeah, it takes a lot longer to straighten them than it does to actually, get them loose. There we go. And now I just use a razor or a hobby knife, like an X-Acto blade, to straighten everything. It looks good.